It's Amy and Doug
Hello.
back, and we are going to do a quarantine haircut on me. As you can see, my hair is extremely long. Hairdressers just opened up, but what the hell? Like, let's try this ourselves, right?
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna get my husband to do the cuts.
I've never done anything like this before ever, and I wish you guys could see what my writing looks like because he.
I mean, I give him his haircut, so it can't be that bad, right?
Yeah, I always have to go touch it off myself afterwards, so we'll see what happens here.
Okay, so I originally thought, okay, I'll donate my hair, but I don't have enough to donate. So I figured, okay, let's try and cut this hair like you would if you were going to donate. So I put bands on where I want the hair cut. So I'm gonna get Doug to make the cuts. The back pieces, I'm gonna get him to freehand. Oh God, I'm so nervous. And then I'll just like touch it up myself. Hopefully it turns out. I mean, I'm working from home, so no one's really gonna see me.
Yeah.
Or I can just go to the hairdresser to get it fixed up, right? So
Okay.
we ordered this hairdressing kit, and
All we need is the blue water, so I can drink it. Okay, and Hogan, don't eat the hair.
Hopefully the dog doesn't eat the hair.
Okay, so ready? Here's the first cut.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God. So
Okay, here is the second cut. You guys ready? Okay.
Oh my God.
And wow, this is gonna be the quickest haircut ever. Yeah, we're just gonna follow this all the way around.
Oh my God. Or I could just have like, you know, party in the back, you know.
Like a mullet kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go.
Okay, but like Doug, like,
Yeah.
can you like, you know, how the hairdressers do it and then like use your fingers?
I don't know how hairdressers do it. I don't know good at hairdressers. I haven't had my hair cut by a hairdresser in like over 12 years. Okay, maybe 10 years. Okay, so here.
Okay. So like.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm so nervous.
I'm nervous too. I don't know what I'm
But
doing.
you know, okay, like use this as a guide.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. That's what I was gonna do. And then you start like do it like the hairdresser do it.
Yeah.
Okay,
But you've never been to a hairdresser.
Okay, so. Okay, here we go.
Maybe should we
Okay.
turn so that everybody can see?
Okay. Well, okay.
Wait, other way. Other side.
That was really, really tough for me. Okay, so here we go. Split even. Okay. Oh, it's kind of even. It's kind of even. Okay. Okay. So, do you want some layers too?
Well, first let's get it like.
Oh. I got the shelf back here too. So, okay, it's kind of like steps. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, hey, there's a...
Like around the, okay, it's about the same length, so.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Yeah?
Do it professionally.
I am doing it professionally. Shit, there's some hair on the floor now. Okay. Okay,
The dog's just sitting there watching us.
Okay.
Okay, no,
hey, I'm just, see, Amy, you asked me to cut your hair. I'm cutting your hair, hey, it looks good. Oh shit, there's someone like, striking it, okay. Hey, that was the quickest haircut ever. See, you're not moving. Why are you?
Scared. Should we turn to the back?
Okay, well, you keep on moving on me, Amy. This is really difficult. Okay.
How are the scissors? Are they good?
They're really good. Oh, Hogan, don't eat that.
Don't eat it. Maybe I'll cut the dog's hair next.
Okay, let me like brush it out. See.
Oh my God, he's pretty short, eh?
Oh yeah, it's really short.
Oh shit.
Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see. Should we get the measuring tape? Okay. So.
I think I'll try to fix it myself.
Wait, what's wrong? I think it looks good. Okay, so skull to here. We're about like 11.5 inches. Okay. Let's see. Okay, and then hey. Yeah, we're about 11.5 inches.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
What about this side?
Let's see. Oh, here we're more like a foot.
Wait, longer?
No, that's like
It's shorter?
No, it's longer because like 11.5 to a foot.
Okay, well, like,
So it's like
how much are you gonna chop off?
This side is like half an inch longer than this side, but it's not noticeable. Like, can you notice it, camera? Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm good. I did a good job. Now, do you want to give you some style? Do you want to do?
Well, okay. I think we're gonna have to take a break. I'm gonna
Okay.
go see for myself in the mirror, and
I
then
have-
we'll be back.
Wait, because I have
He has these scissors.
these scissors. I don't know what to
He
do with
really
them.
wants to use them.
Look cool. I'll use them myself.
Okay, no.
Okay. Okay. Alright, we'll take a look.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so we're back, determined it's really difficult for me to try and cut my own hair. Doug's gonna attempt to even out the little bit of choppiness. I just wet the ends to make it easier for him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Okay.
Don't cut a lot off.
I'm not gonna go. Just. Okay.
I don't like the way you're saying okay. Doug, don't chop all my hair
I'm not
off.
chopping your hair off, everyone. Yeah, okay. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so we have the shop vac. Okay. So you just use one piece, you cut it one piece and use it as a guide to the next piece.
Yes, but don't cut too much off.
Okay.
You can go straight, not crooked.
Oh shit. They're all on an angle. They're all on an angle.
Are you serious?
Hey, you're messing up. It's the way the scissors are oriented in my hand. Okay. Oh, they were upside down. That's why. That's why they weren't working. That's why I was holding like this. That's why they weren't working right. Okay. Okay, just a minor thing here, guys.
Oh my god, pray for me.
Okay, so the back is gonna
Scared. The back's gonna be what?
be great.
I don't think you should. Doug, are you chopping a lot off?
Hey, no, Amy, why don't you let me just do it? Like when you're at the hairdresser, what do they do?
Yeah, well, I mean, they do it as a profession.
Well, this is my profession.
Okay, maybe it doesn't want to be cut.
Okay, well then, okay. Hey. This is not bad, I can do this. But yeah, we can cut hair now. Okay. Okay, but there has been some more come off then. So I'm taking like an extra inch off.
No!
Well, that's what's happening.
Doug! Are you serious?
No.
Are you serious?
No, but Amy, are you gonna be mad at me, Amy? I am doing my best, Amy. Hey guys, doing my best.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys.
Doug, don't cut a lot off.
No, I'm not.
Okay, what are you doing?
Matching your hair length. Okay.
So, that's like an inch.
Oh, Amy, I do it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Is it even?
No,
Doesn't
it's not
feel even
It's-
at all.
It's not even because I had to do this side. I have to do.
Okay, Doug, don't keep cutting more. I'm not gonna be able to pull it back into a ponytail.
Oh, wait, do you want to do a test now?
No more. You can't cut
Okay,
any more off.
okay,
You're
okay.
freaking me out.
I'm freaking myself out, Amy. Hey, this is this is your idea. Okay, so let's see. Okay.
Do you want me to turn?
Oh, looks good. Okay.
Okay, look from the front. It's not even.
Yeah, it looks even.
The side is shorter.
Oh. Yeah, that's because I haven't got this area. Okay, Amy. One side shorter than the other. Okay. Amy. Okay, Amy, you want I need to this side now. Okay.
But you're in front of the camera.
Okay, Amy, this is really a lot of pressure on me. Here,
Okay, why don't you come from the front? Okay. Maybe I should just do it myself.
No.
Oh my god.
Amy. This is your. Okay. You know what? We shouldn't have done this.
Okay,
you're moving so much. Amy.
Let me do it. I can do it in front of the mirror.
Okay. Well, another break.
we'll be back. Okay, so we are back with the final result. May have had a little bit of a cry in the bathroom.
That was me. No, I'm joking.
But
it's slightly uneven
it's slightly
and kind of choppy.
I can't see the back, so I'm trusting Doug.
The back looks like the front.
I don't know. What do we do with these?
What do you do at YouTube community? Do you know what to do with those? Does that give a layer? Does that make things less choppy?
I'm scared to use them because, like...
Do you want me to go, like, one... Like, let's see. What happens if you use them on me? Only half the hair comes out.
Yeah, I think they're, like, thinning.
Oh, shit, I don't need that then. I don't need that then.
Okay, so I think we're gonna stop it here because I don't want more hair cut off. I don't know if it's even on each side. We tried our best.
Yeah, I tried my best, folks. This is my first time doing anything like this. So good thing I got you to sign a waiver first. So
I didn't sign a waiver?
No, she didn't. But if she sued me, she'd be suing herself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the quarantine haircut with some tears.
Right.
But okay, remember, I think it was like 2 years ago when I did Doug's makeup. If I got 10 subscribers, I would let him do my makeup and film it. I'm at 9 subscribers. We need 1 more. So subscribe and Doug will do my makeup.
I'm gonna make it look like the Joker.
Yeah. Quarantine haircut with Doug's makeup job. So like, come on. That's
pretty cool.
Entertainment for you.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll see you later. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, peace
Bye.
out. See ya.